Object pronouns in English. A quick guide with examples. An object pronoun is a word that replaces a noun and receives the action in a sentence. Instead of repeating the noun, we use an object pronoun to make the sentence smoother. The object pronoun can be a direct object or an indirect object. A direct object tells us who or what receives the action of the verb. An indirect object is the person or thing that receives the direct object. For example, throw Josh the ball. The ball is the direct object and Josh is the indirect object. If we replace the direct and indirect objects with object pronouns, the sentence flows better. For example, throw it to him. You have to mention the object first, then you can use pronouns, unless it's already obvious. Can you teach my wife Julie to paint? Yes, I can teach her. Here's a list of all the object pronouns for you to learn. First person singular is me. Second person singular is you. Third person singular is him, her, or it. First person plural is us. Second person plural is you all. And third person plural is them. Let's see some examples in action. They ignore me. I love you. You really like him. I miss her already. The machine didn't beat me, I beat it. Perhaps now he'll listen to us. I've bought you drinks. I can't tell you who did it, I'm scared of them. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.